Welcome back to the Daily Dose, Lively Later Life family. And welcome to a special, longer edition, right here in our beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. In our busy lives, it's so important to carve out moments of peace. Moments to reconnect with ourselves and the world around us. Today, we're not just giving you a daily dose. We're inviting you on a gentle journey to discover Vancouver's hidden gems. Rejuvenate your spirit in nature's embrace. Forget the crowds and the noise. We're seeking out those tranquil corners. Especially friendly and accessible for our senior community, where nature's calm can truly work its magic. Exploring Stanley Park's tranquil corners. Segment 1. The serenity of the Japanese-Canadian War Memorial Area. Our first hidden gem lies within the heart of Stanley Park, a place of quiet reflection and beauty. The Japanese-Canadian War Memorial Area. The pathways here are generally paved and relatively flat, making for an easy stroll. You'll find plenty of benches to sit and simply soak in the peaceful atmosphere. The gentle sound of the water feature and the surrounding greenery create a truly calming environment. Take a moment to breathe deeply here. Appreciate the thoughtful design, and let the tranquility wash over you. This is a perfect spot for a mindful moment during your day. Segment 2. The still waters of Beaver Lake viewpoints. Next, let's wander towards the still waters of Beaver Lake. While the trails directly around the lake can have some uneven sections, the viewpoints accessible from the main roads offer stunning vistas of the lake's reflections and surrounding forest. There are several benches strategically placed at these viewpoints, providing a wonderful opportunity to rest and observe nature's beauty. The air here feels fresh and clean, and the quiet stillness of the lake can be incredibly soothing for the mind. It's a reminder of the simple beauty that exists right in our city. Segment 3. A quieter stroll along the seawall. Less crowded sections. Stanley Park's seawall is famous for a reason, but let's explore some of the less crowded sections. Perhaps along the western or eastern edges, away from the main tourist hubs. These areas often offer a more peaceful experience, where you can enjoy the rhythmic sound of the waves and the expansive views without the hustle. The seawall is largely flat and accessible, perfect for a gentle walk or a comfortable spot to sit and watch the world go by. Feel the sea breeze on your face, and let the vastness of the ocean bring a sense of calm. The benefits of nature's embrace. Spending time in nature isn't just pleasant, it's incredibly beneficial for our mental and emotional well-being, especially as we enjoy our lively later life. Studies have shown that even short periods spent in natural environments can reduce stress hormones, lower blood pressure, and improve our mood. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature can be incredibly grounding and restorative. It allows us to step away from daily worries and reconnect with something larger than ourselves. Whether it's the vibrant colors of flowers, the gentle rustling of leaves, or the calming sound of water, nature has a unique way of soothing our minds and uplifting our spirits. And here in Vancouver, we are so fortunate to have these incredible natural havens right at our fingertips. Easily accessible for a daily dose of rejuvenation. Practical tips for seniors visiting. Before you head out to explore these beautiful spots, here are a few practical tips to keep in mind. Consider visiting during off-peak hours to avoid larger crowds. Wear comfortable shoes and dress in layers, as the weather can change. Bring a water bottle to stay hydrated and perhaps a small snack. Many of these locations have benches for resting, but feel free to bring a small portable folding stool if you prefer. Check the weather forecast before you go. And most importantly, take your time and enjoy the journey at your own pace. Your safety and comfort are paramount. We hope this extended daily dose has inspired you to discover the tranquil beauty waiting for you in Vancouver's natural spaces. Remember, taking even a short break to immerse yourself in nature can have a profound impact on your well-being. Make it a part of your daily routine to seek out these moments of calm and rejuvenation. Don't forget to subscribe to the Lively Later Life channel and hit that notification bell for more local explorations and daily doses of inspiration for your vibrant golden years. Share this video with your friends and let them discover their own peaceful escapes right here in Vancouver. Until next time, breathe deeply, enjoy the beauty around you, and keep living your lively later life to the absolute fullest.